Hello, this tutorial is an introduction to guidelines. First we'll create a new project. Creating a new project will automatically create the 2D view. To create the 3D view, click on the new 3D view button in the quick access bar. You can also find the new 2D view and the new 3D view tools in the View tab within the New Views group. Selecting the 2D view, you can see the grid. The grid can be switched on and off using the Grid On-Off tool in the quick access bar. This tool also appears in the View tab within the Options group. If you right-click on the Grid On-Off tool, then you will activate the Settings dialog. In this dialog, you can change the grid size. You can also change what you snap to. When you place an element, usually your element will snap to either a grid, a wall, a line, a guideline. These can be deselected or selected. By default, initially everything is snappable. The snap radius defines how close an element has to be to an object to snap. The default is 10 pixels. We're now going to place some guidelines in the 2D view. The Guideline tool is found in the 2D and Layout tab. 2D Guideline tool opens up to show a selection of 5 guideline tools, each tool having a further submenu. Select Horizontal Guideline and click in the 2D view. You can repeat this for a vertical guideline. Each time you click, a new guideline is placed at the cursor position. However, the guideline is snapping to the grid. To disable the grid snapping, deselect Snap On and Off in the quick access bar. And now you will find you can place the guideline at any position. I'll now demonstrate some of the other useful guideline tools. For example, the Numeric Parallel Guideline tool will allow you to select a reference guideline and place a second guideline at a set distance from the reference guideline. We can also place a guideline at 90 degrees to a reference guideline. The centered guideline will allow us to place a vertical guideline between 2 points. There is also a useful set of circular guidelines. All of our guidelines up to now have been long guidelines. However, there is an alternative set of short guidelines with exactly the same tools. Clicking on the Undo tool in the Quick Access bar will show the last few actions, and we can undo these actions by clicking Undo. Also, in the Quick Access bar is a list of last tools used. You can activate these tools just by clicking on the entry.